I would always go to bed and just wish to wake up a girl.
I remember the countless nights crying because I wasn't who I wanted to be. I grew up with people making fun of me every day, and there was always someone asking me, are you a boy? Are you a girl?
I was married and I had done everything that I was supposed to do, but it just wasn't right, and I just felt like I was playing a role.
I would tell my 11-year-old self that one day you're gonna wake up and you're gonna look in the mirror and you're gonna be that exact girl that you were wishing to be, and you're gonna be so loved and you're gonna be so happy.
Had it not been for Sephora, I wouldn't be here today. I just felt like my voice didn't matter or I didn't matter anymore. Working with Sephora, I was working with people who appreciated me, who actually listened to me, who respected me as a woman.
I found that Sephora really offered me this space to take everything and present it in such a real form. It's really allowed me a feeling of belonging.
I think it's important that Sephora celebrates inclusion because everyone wants to be a part of something.
I truly feel that my Sephora team is my family. We're all very close, and I feel appreciated and loved by them in a way that I haven't really had working anywhere else.
My pronoun is she, her, hers. Pronouns are important because it's almost validating to that person. You are showing them the respect that you see them, and you're validating them as that person. It's not, oh, I want to be she. No, I am her.
At the end of the day, we're people. We have sadness, we have fear, we have happiness, we have joy, we have family, we have love.
There's no one mold for transgender people to fit in. We come in all shapes and sizes, styles, expressions, just like you.